How to fix WhatsApp business status not uploading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business status not uploading on Android phone. First, open settings and then click apps and then apps again, apps or applications, and then scroll down all the way down until you find here WhatsApp business. Click on it and now click storage and then click clear cache. Now go to data usage, enable all of those here background data, maybe you'll find it like that, just enable it, and then go to permissions, enable all of those permissions, storage, if you find it like that, just allow it, and that's it. Now just go back, try again and restart your phone and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.